Hello everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, I will explain exercise 36 after you have read theory A and B of 1.3. Make sure that you already worked on the exercise on your own, or at least work together with me and pause when necessary. So in this exercise, we have two functions. The first function, we're going to write it here, is the value function x of negative 4x plus 9, and we have gx, which is negative x. So this means if we are inserting some value for x, we have to change it everywhere for x in the formula. So over here, and in this case over here. So we are wondering in the first questions, calculate value function of minus 5. And we are wondering the value function of minus 3. I'm not seeing it properly, of 3. And the value function of 8. Well, the first one I will show with intermediates. We are using this formula, so we get minus 4 times minus 5 plus 9. Eventually, we get over here 20. 20 plus 9 is 29. Then for the second one, we get minus 4 times 3 plus 9. The outcome, minus 12 plus 9, will give us minus 3. And then the last one we can calculate. Let's skip the intermediate for now. We get minus 4 times 8 is negative 32. And negative 32 plus 9 will give us, I think you guys are faster than me at this point, negative 23. Yeah. So eventually, you can write down the intermediate or use the calculator for this. Then we go to question B. So in question B, we are asked for the same numbers we get. What's the value function of, for the other function, g minus 8? What is eventually g7? And what is eventually g0? Well, let's fill them in using this formula. It becomes minus 8, or actually it's written over here, minus 1 times minus 8. So we get positive 8. Over here we get negative 7, and this, of course, minus 0 doesn't exist. This becomes 0. By just filling in, you can use the calculator for this. Then we go to question C. Remember, you have to show your calculation. Now, here it comes. The calculations for value function 5 plus the other one for 5, we have to first calculate our value of the function 5 for filling in x is 5. So what do we get? We fill it in over here. We get minus 4 times 5 plus 9. Yeah, we know that this will become minus 20 plus 9, which is minus 11. And then this will become plus negative 5 because of the minus. So eventually we will get minus 11 plus minus 5 will become negative 16. And we can even make it more difficult. Let me just show that this was the outcome of this part, and over here we had this part. They say function h is defined as the following. So we get function h, x is value function f plus value function of gx. This is a new formula. What will this new formula be? Well, we literally write down what fx is. Well, that is minus 4x plus 9 plus this function, which is minus x. This is just a matter of simplifying. Look for like terms. Minus 4x, this becomes, of course, minus x is minus 5x plus 9. So you have created hx, a new function, and function h is now this formula.